WCTV Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning and happy Monday, everybody. 24-hour temperature cast wants to keep these numbers from the mid-70s to the mid-80s. I don't expect a big range of temperatures. You rarely have that when you have this kind of humidity around. Boy, is it ever sticky and soupy outside. We do see a few showers in a couple of spots. Right now, parts of Wakulla County, southern parts of Jefferson County, even South Leon County. We've got a couple of showers. I see a little bit more in parts of western Madison right now, and these showers are lifting from south and west to north and east. They might even make it across the interstate near Madison, and maybe we find a few more showers in more parts of southeastern Leon County. So morning commutes, not only are those roads going to be wet, and not only are we going to deal with some patchy fog, but we've got a few showers out there, and we're likely going to find a few more. This is one of those setups where the rain can come down at any point, but it's not going to rain all the time everywhere. It is going to feel and look like it ought to be raining all the time and everywhere, and that's the way it's been for days and days and days. Gray and gloomy and very, very muggy outside. That is not changing, and that's why on the Futurecast we expect more and more showers in more and more spots throughout the day. You know, probably the last 30 or 40 minutes and then move on to someplace else. But if one of these showers parks in one spot for an hour or so, it can bring some sizable rainfall accumulations. We've seen that in areas. Thomasville got quite a bit of rain over the past weekend, so we'd like to see those showers maybe find some other areas and give some of those places that have been getting so much rain a bit of a break. It's 72 right now in Thomasville. It's 74 in Tallahassee. We're at 75 degrees in Valdosta. All the temperatures pretty much jumbled up between 72 and 75. Bainbridge 73, Camilla 74. Perry's checking in at 75. A little breeze is trying to stir things up. Most visibilities better than 2 miles, so the fog is not out of control, but it's certainly something we're going to have to deal with this morning. And we are stuck in this warm, humid air mass for a couple more days. There is some cooler and really more drier air coming behind this next boundary, and I think this boundary should have the help it needs to get all the way through our area by Wednesday night, maybe into Thursday, and that should mean a whole much different and better looking setup for the end of the week. But we got to get there first. The tropics, they're active. We've got Tropical Storm Peter that's out in the middle of the Atlantic. This one is likely going to start curling to the north, and it may have Bermuda in its sights over the weekend, so we'll keep our eyes on it. There's also Tropical Storm Rose way out across the Atlantic. This one looks like it's headed more north than anything else, and that should keep it over those open waters of the Atlantic. No threats to land. We've got another piece of energy coming off the coast of Africa. We'll have to watch and see what happens with it. But while there's a lot going on in the tropics, none of it expected to impact our forecast. On the Gulf today, winds out of the southwest and west 5 to 15, doing the low tides a little bit later on this morning after 8. 70s, muggy, turning into 80s and muggy this afternoon. I'm going to leave the rain chances way up there around 70%. For tonight, still some showers, still lots of humidity, and still plenty of clouds. And here comes that forecast over the next several days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we are still stuck in this humid. But look at Thursday, Friday, much drier, much brighter, I might say much better.